Hi and welcome to the WordPress workspace. In this tutorial guide, I am going to show you how to make a free resource library and link it to your MailChimp. So first thing we're going to do is log into our WordPress dashboard, head on over to Pages and click Add New. Once you're here, you're going to enter a title for your resource library. So I'm going to keep it simple and call it Resource Library. You can name it whatever you want, as long as it's relates to your blog or your website. The next thing we're going to do is add in our thumbnail images that are going to link to our content. So there's two things here. I created a couple of graphics in Canva. Canva is an awesome tool that you can use. There's some really awesome blog layouts that I just threw together some images for this tutorial guide. And the next thing that you'll need is a plugin called Column Shortcodes. And this basically lays out your page into, say, 3 columns or 4 columns. It's just an easy way of doing it. So in your page, what I would like to create is 3 columns with 3 images in it. So once you've installed and activated the Column Shortcodes plugin, you'll then see a little shortcodes icon here. So you'll click on the shortcodes icon, and I'd like to create 3 columns. So we're going to look at 1/3, okay, and then another 1/3, and the 1/3 last is the last item in that row. So then we're going to add in our images in between these shortcodes. So we'll add media and upload those images that we created in Canva. As you can see, I've uploaded them already. So there we go. We're going to insert it into our page. First, we're just going to amend the size to a medium size and insert it. Okay, and then we're going to do the same for the other 2 columns. Okay, and there we go. So if I have a quick preview, you'll see how it's looking. Obviously, it's not going to be perfect, but it's just to show you how you can do it. So there's our resource library to start with. So let's go back, because if we hover over it, we can't, and try and click, we can't actually do anything. It's not going anywhere. So what you'll need is your links. You need to upload your PDF or whatever it is you're giving away up onto Dropbox or anything that's not your website. So I have uploaded a little password tracker onto my Dropbox. So I'm going to get the link. I'm going to copy that, come on back onto my resource page, click on the image, click on edit, and then link to a custom URL and paste in that URL to the Dropbox file. And you'll also want to make sure that that Dropbox file is open for people to actually view. And if you want, you can click Open Link in a new tab and click Update. Okay, and then let's just have a preview of that and see what happens. Okay, let's click on that, and that opens my nice password tracker. There we go, and it's opening. Great, so that's exactly what we want. But now, with your resource library, you want to create a password so people actually sign up to your newsletter to get that password and then access the resource library. So we're going to come on over here to the right-hand side, okay, and we're going to change this visibility from public to password protected. And we're going to create a simple password that we're going to put onto our MailChimp sign-up letter, and people can use that password to access the resource library. So for this password, I'm going to say the WordPress workspace. Okay, so make it something that's easy to remember and that you won't forget and easy for people to type in. So then we're just going to copy this just for later usage and click OK. And then that's our resource library done. We're going to click Publish. Once it's published, I'll just show you how that page looks and works. Okay, let's view the page. Okay, there we go. So when someone lands on the resource library page, they'll get this page that says enter the password. So then we're going to put in the password and click enter, and then they'll get access to our resource library. Okay, here it's just asking me if I want to update the password for my website, and I'm going to click nope. Okay. So now we would like to link this to our MailChimp. So we'll sign into our MailChimp account. We'll come on over to our lists, and then I've already got there, and I'm in sign up forms, general forms, and this is just the confirmation thank you page. Okay, so this is the last email that someone will get when they sign up to you. So I've just got, this was actually something I've done before. I'm just going to edit this and just change the text to something that's more relatable to our resource library. So thank you for subscribing and wanting more awesome resources. Here is the password. And there's the password. Okay. So before I used one and I did a hello boss password. So let's just save and close. So that now you'll want to make sure that you now link the correct MailChimp opt-in to your website, and when people sign up, they'll get this email saying thank you for subscribing. Here's the password. You might also want to hold on a moment. Okay, so here's the password. Actually, what you'll want to add in there, which I almost forgot to show you, is the link to your resource library. So we'll go back to our WordPress page and copy the link to this page, which is at the top. Come back to our MailChimp and paste that link in. So whatever you name that page, that will come up here, and there's the password. Click save. Obviously, you want to tailor this to your branding and to your blog. And that's how you create a resource library. It's very simple, very quick. Obviously, you can lay it out however you want, and you can give away whatever information you'd like to. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial guide. If you would like more like this, then head on over to the wpworkspace.com, where I have loads more tutorial guides on making your WordPress website even more amazing. Thank you.